Remodeling and septic systems. If you've lived in your home for some time, you may find yourself wishing for a facelift. Or maybe you just bought a fixer-upper. But before starting home renovations, think about your septic system. What special considerations need to be made? Can home projects operate like normal? Remodeling with a septic system. Planning ahead is key. Asking for forgiveness doesn't work here. Room additions. Your septic tank is built to handle a specific size of home and household. If your household expansion means more people or water resources like bathrooms or laundry, make sure your tank can handle it. Too much water for too much of a small tank leads to backups and your septic's inability to treat waste and wastewater. Landscaping changes and pools. What you do to your yard has a direct impact on your septic. After all, that's where it lives. Make sure to avoid certain trees and shrubs with strong, long roots. No building a deck or adding heavy yard decorations on top of your septic. And before you dig a new pool, make sure your plans mesh well with your septic system. Joint compound. When adding drywall, your contractor and crew may try to use your sink to clean their hands and tools. That's a big no. Joint compound contains high amounts of minerals like limestone and talcum and has a pH of 7.5 to 9. A healthy septic tank has a pH of 6.5 to 7.5. That change in pH can kill the beneficial bacteria needed for a healthy septic. Painting. We know not to flush oil-based paint, but is latex paint bad too? Well, while dubbed eco-friendly, it's not so friendly for your septic. Chemicals in latex paint aren't healthy for your tank and the bacteria. It's best to dispose of paint outside your septic system. Cleaning products. Once the projects are complete and cleanup starts, you still need to think about your septic. Don't dispose any construction remnants like dust and chemicals down the drain. Only use septic-safe cleaners. And if bleach must be used, make sure to dilute the product. Get ready for your home improvements. Before remodeling, take time to get yourself and your septic ready. Verify your septic tank size, system location, and permitting regulations before starting an irreversible home project. Wondering if your septic can handle your home improvement plans? Call Advanced Septic Services of Florida today at 352-242-6100.